Hi everyone, and welcome, dear investor and dear trader, to this financial broadcast. My name is François Alblay. It's the first time to discover me. I'm the main trainer and the founder of GSTA, which is Global Street Trader Academy, which is the online financial academy, Canadian and local, there where we teach people how to trade stock and forex, indices, bonds, ETF, and option, also all the stuff. So I invite you to subscribe to our Facebook page or the official YouTube channel for receiving some notification if we put video or content in those concern, which is help you for reaching the success and to be profitable on the financial markets. So today we're gonna talk about the stop loss order, the myth of stop loss order, because stop loss order is something that we struggle with that when you are, I'm assuming that you retail trader, if you see this video and you have this problem with that, because me, I have been in this problem and now it's been more better because I know how to deal with my stop loss. So we heard lots of something wrong about stop loss, that stop loss it's very is a, you need to put a theoretical stop loss, you need to you need to just fixing your stop loss with your delivered price. It's absolutely wrong about that. Have you ever wonder or questioning by yourself why the majority of professional trader estimate like theoretical uh, stop loss order to 30 points or 40 points? It's because they have some empirical study there. They know on the financial market that the majority of retail trader put their stop loss to 30 or 40 points on the financial markets, and that's why the majority of retail trader are losing money. It's because stop loss is not based on 30, 20, 50 points that you put on your financial market. It's based on the money, how much money that you can afford to lose, right? So if you put stop loss to 30, 40, 50 on the financial market, it is some way that you suggest at the market the possibility to take your money, and the market won't will never refuse that, because the majority of the trader or retail trader lose money because they put very badly they stop loss. They don't know how to put the stop loss correctly. So there are some two ways and two things that to return, that's how to put your stop loss, and which one ways or which one manners have to you have to place your stop loss order to avoid to be to lose money. First one, it's about how much money you can afford on different trade, and also how much money you have to lose versus how much money you have to gain, to earn, right? So that mean what I mean exactly, it's exactly mean that, for example, on the graph here, if you intend to short this market, that's very good, because when we see the long term trend, we see that is a long term bearish on this market. So if you're shorting here or here, that is very good, because you're optimizing your profit, your potential profit, and also you minimizing your potential loss. So it's not depend on 30 or 40 points theoretical stop loss. It's based off the money that you can afford. And don't trade when the market it's between a different crucial level or different key level, just waiting that the market retrace 30, 20, 40, 50 points before to intend to shorting the market. If you're doing it that way, that keeps your account alive, because you doing properly your you're doing properly to place your stop loss order, because you wait to have like a perfect price, like the highest price to for shorting. And exactly the same thing when you're doing like for long, to be long in the financial market, you're just waiting that the market will crash to go in very deep on the low, and then you can entry and the lowest price, the cheapest price to going long. That's mean you optimizing your potential profit if you right, and if you're wrong, you minimizing your potential loss. Okay, and the second time to return from this lesson, it's because some broker are very unfortunately bad, so they can see at the through your graph or through your chart where you put your stop loss. So don't put your stop loss when you trade. It depends in which one situation. If you're doing like scalping, you need to have stop loss for sure, because it's very, you're going just to take some few points and you get out of the market and you repeat it again, again, and again. And if you do day trading or swing trading, you don't put some stop loss and just waiting about the market that it will go to the direction, because some brokers or some professional traders or like any professional on financial markets, they see and they know where potentially some retail trader will put their stop loss. So when you put your stop loss, they will coming to pick you up, and then you broke. You cannot like entry in second time to be good on financial market. And just remark that if you have not noticed, when you put your stop loss and the market coming to eat you after the market goes to your first your right direction. So, and it's coming like very often, because it's not because you're very bad on the financial market. It's because you don't waiting the perfect entry, and you don't build passion. So be very patient and just waiting the perfect price. Don't let the market propose you the perfect price zone to entry in the financial market. So essentially here, you don't need to put your stop loss on the when you do day trading and swing trading. Just putting some alerts on the price level, and be aware where if the price will be targeted or will be triggered by your financial market, and then you can entry at your trade and make profit in the financial market. So this is the secret that I reveal free, because most of traders that didn't realize that it's very easy. It's not complicated to make money in financial markets. It's just to wait about the opportunity, and the market we get you that. And if you're interested to going further that I give you right now, I kindly recommend you to come in here to be framed and to be also um, follow up, and I will show you all the technique for and optimizing the perfect entry, and all the tools that you can use to for benefiting in the financial markets. I will teach you technical analysis and fundamental and all the stuff. If you're interested, of course, to know how the market works. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm assuming that you learn the tricks, and you'll be more like very careful on the financial market and determine how you can put properly a stop loss and avoid to lose your money. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.